Hey everyone, this is Justin Lindhorst with MarineMax St. Petersburg. On board the new 47 Molokai by Aquila, powered by the twin V12 600s. This is one incredible ride. Enjoy the walkthrough and the video. So take a look at this bow up on the 47 Aquila Molokai. It is so well thought out. We've got ample seating. We've got a nice flush bow area with our windlass hidden. Great place to throw a cast net or a spinning fishing rod. Tons of storage beneath these seats. All these seats lift up with storage for cleaning gear, additional tackle, and so forth. What a place to cruise. You can be sitting there at 45 miles an hour, no problem. Making our way back, on both sides beneath where I'm standing, we have massive fish boxes. They run about 6 feet down on both sides, and another set of fish boxes just behind that. We do have access through this door, step down into a day head. I'm 6'2" and I don't touch the ceiling down below. There's tons of space down there, and we do have a freshwater shower as well. So one thing a lot of people point out on this boat when they see it for the first time is the quality of everything that Aquila has done with this 47 Molokai. Everything from the rod holders to the steering wheel to the release helm chairs, it's all the best you're gonna get. Once underway, the comfort of having these 7 helm chairs, it's amazing. Stadium seating, so the rear seat is elevated, so everyone has a view over the front when you're underway, and there are air conditioning vents facing each and every seat on board. You even have wireless charging pads for your cell phones. Those small little things that they've thought about. 3 massive Raymarine screens, controls absolutely everything on the boat. You can control the lights, air conditioning, hooker, sea chest, live well pumps. You can control everything from the helm right here. Ergonomically, it's amazing. It's a center helm station, controls. You got a view all the way around. So access down into the cabin, very easy, just through this door. We have our center island queen size bed, tons of closet space, and easy access to the head and shower as well if needed at nighttime. You don't have to come around, you've got access from the bed. So making our way into the rear cockpit of the 47 Molokai, notice firstly how much space we have. Fortunately, we had the 14'7" beam, which gives us this entire deck back here to entertain, to fish. And we do feature the summer kitchen on this particular boat that we're on, which has dual refrigeration. You got your Kenyan electric cooktop, hot cold sink, tackle drawers, trash can, and there is an ice maker on the starboard side. This is available in rear face seating as well if you would prefer that option. We do have the rear facing Raymarine, which is great. If you're out bottom fishing, reef fishing, and you're looking for the reef, you can see all of that from back here. Easy access to our rocket launchers and easy access up to our Gemlux riggers. We do have steps up either side. If you ever wanted to add a tuna tower, you can do so on top of this 47. Dual tuna doors. In-floor live well, transom live wells back here on both sides. So depending what you're fishing for, you can have pinfish in one, you can have blue runners in another. That's all run through the hooker sea chest system, which is the best you're gonna get. We'll show you the plumbing down in this compartment. Rear transom seats, they fold out, and we have enough seating for 3 people on port and starboard, which is great to have that additional seating on board. One feature that I love, do a lot of scuba diving and hanging out at the sandbar, is you have a massive ladder that slides out. I don't think there's a boat in this class that has a ladder this big. So as you can see, she's powered with twin V12 600 Mercury outboard engines. These engines will absolutely blow you away. The performance with these twin V12s is incredible. We can cruise this boat at 40 miles an hour effortlessly, and you'll have a range of 860 miles, and that's holding 1,000 gallons of fuel on board. We top out at 62 miles an hour, and you get there in seconds. You can't believe how quick this boat runs with the double stepped hull with the 600. I hope you enjoyed the walkthrough on this amazing Aquila 47 Molokai. If you guys want any further information, please don't hesitate to reach out to myself, Justin Lindhorst, or any one of my co-workers down at MarineMax St. Petersburg. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.